Hey everyone, today I want to show you a recipe from Dan Churchill that I got to see on his Instagram. You should follow him, it's really interesting. It's a recipe that for everyone that do sport and everything contains a lot of protein, contains free beans, the free bean chili, with a little bit of guacamole on the top, again with a little bit of spice that I love. So here is the result, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step to do it.
So to do the chili, I put basically at first the onions, then I put the garlic, cut in small pieces, and then I added the carrots. Next step will be adding the different type of beans. So here is where the magic operates, because I added my chickpeas, my red kidney beans, and my lentils to the onions, carrots, and garlic. Now, this is the beginning of the chili, but you're gonna see in a few minutes when I'm gonna add the tomato puree and a little bit of liquid. So here you can see after adding the puree and the tomato crushed, now I'm gonna add the spices. Okay, so for the spices, garlic. Going there, a bit of cumin, turmeric, and smoked paprika. I'm gonna add also a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I did a little bit more water, and now you can let it simmer like that for like 20 minutes approximately. The more you let it simmer, the more the spices are gonna imprint the mix. So the more you're gonna get flavors. Look at that, simmering. You can smell the spices. So now it is ready. As you can see, piping hot, ready to eat. So for the plating now, I cooked some wild rice. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Good amount. This. Going to take now our chili. It's gonna go on top. Also, while the chili was cooking, prepared like kind of a guacamole, spicy guacamole. I'm going to put on top to have a little bit of creaminess in there. Take some lime all over the plate. These. Finally, a bit of coriander. Like that. A little bit of freshness on the plate. Here it is.